We've sent probes to every planet, but the greatest unsolved mysteries might be hiding inside your own body. Here are 10 things about human biology that science still cannot fully explain. Number 10. The purpose of the appendix. For years, it was dismissed as a useless evolutionary leftover. Now we know it might act as a safe house for beneficial gut bacteria, allowing them to repopulate the gut after an illness. But its full function and why only some mammals have one remains unclear. Number 9. Why we have fingerprints. Their purpose is a complete mystery. They don't actually improve grip. In fact, they reduce friction on smooth surfaces. Theories range from improving tactile sensation to allowing skin to stretch without tearing, but no one knows for sure why these unique patterns evolved. Number 8. The biology of consciousness. How do electrical and chemical signals in the brain create a subjective, first-person experience? This hard problem of consciousness remains the greatest gap in our understanding of biology. We can map the brain, but we can't explain the mind. Number 7. Why we yawn. We know it's contagious and linked to tiredness or boredom, but its fundamental purpose is unknown. Theories suggest it cools the brain, increases alertness, or was a social signal for our ancestors. But no single explanation is universally accepted. Number 6. The placebo effect. How can a sugar pill cause measurable physiological healing? The fact that belief alone can trigger the body's own pharmacy to reduce pain, heal ulcers, and even mimic Parkinson's medication effects is one of the most powerful and least understood phenomena in all of medicine. Number 5. The genetic reason for sleep. We know we die without it, and we know what happens during it, but we still don't know the fundamental why. The leading theory is that it's for brain maintenance and memory consolidation, but the core evolutionary pressure that made it absolutely necessary is still debated. Number 4. The mystery of metamorphosis. On a cellular level, how does a caterpillar completely dissolve into a biological soup inside its chrysalis and then reorganize into a butterfly? The genetic triggers and processes that allow for such radical anatomical reorganization are still not fully mapped. Number 3. Why we have a dominant hand. About 90% of people are right-handed. This trait appears to be uniquely human and has existed for millennia. But why did this asymmetry evolve? Theories suggest it improved tool use or was a side effect of brain lateralization for language. But the true origin is unknown. Number 2. The function of DNA junk. Only about 1 to 2% of our DNA codes for proteins. The rest was once called junk DNA. We now know some of it regulates gene expression, but the function of the vast majority of our genome is still a complete mystery. It's often called the dark matter of the genome. Number 1. The origin of viruses. Are they escaped bits of genetic material, or are they ancient primitive life forms that predate cells? Scientists can't even agree if viruses are truly alive, and their evolutionary origin remains one of biology's biggest unanswered questions. Which of these body mysteries baffles you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you're fascinated by the unsolved puzzles of human biology, you need to subscribe to Zap Facts. We explore the unknown every day. Hit subscribe, share this video to stump your friends, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fact.